In many parts of the world, alcohol features quite prominently in social and recreational activities. But sometimes we tend to forget that alcohol is itself a drug. In particular, alcohol is a drug that sedates and slows down the central nervous system, making you feel relaxed. Drinking too much can make you very sick and even die. Alcohol abuse happens when one starts to have problems in life because of the way that one drinks. Some people develop the disease of alcoholism, which is a very serious illness. It can cause many physical and psychological problems. It's important to note that alcoholism, or alcohol dependence as it's sometimes called, also affects the drinker's family. When one has the disease of alcoholism, it's characterized by several typical signs and symptoms. These include drinking despite knowing what the consequences are, wanting to stop but not being able to, and drinking more frequently and heavily over time. The good news is that alcohol is treatable. People do get better once they make a commitment to stop drinking in a harmful way and put in place a plan to support this commitment. At NAMS, we have a variety of treatment services that can help the individual to stop drinking and start a life without alcohol as its main focus. It's so important to keep in mind that one should not delay the decision to seek treatment. The longer one delays treatment, the worse the problem gets over time. Often the alcohol is so much a part of the alcoholic's life that he or she is unable to see it even as a problem. It's always there. It can be hard to get the alcoholic into treatment. However, family members can take steps to encourage the alcoholic to seek treatment. It's important to note that arguing and fighting with the alcoholic doesn't really help. He or she has an illness, and not wanting to do anything about the alcohol use is itself part of this illness. It's a symptom. It's better for families to highlight their concerns, point out specific ways that alcohol use has affected the family, and support the drinker without supporting his or her drinking.